Hi, welcome to Such and Study Tech. Today topic is coin change problem in dynamic programming approach. So coins of different denominations of certain amount W. So this is the example problem. Find out total number of ways you can make the change of a given amount, that is 5, using the coins 1 comma 2 comma 3. So what is the condition is infinite supply of coins. That means you can take the same coin more than once. So here the how many ways to make the amount is 5. So here the coins is 1 rupee coin and 2 rupee coin and 3 rupee coin, and W equal to 5. So here it is. For example, I can take 5 1 rupee coins. This is one way. And another way is I am taking 3 1 rupee coins and two 1 rupee coin here, 3 1 rupees coins and 2 1 rupee coin. It is make 5. And also I am taking, here it is, 3 1 rupee coins, 2 1 rupee coin and 3. This is the another way. And also I am taking, here it is 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coins. Here it is make 5. And also here it is, you can take 1 2 rupee coin, 1 3 rupee coin, it make a 5. So these are the 5 ways to make the total amount is 5. Here find out the minimum number of coins in the above problem. So minimum number of coins means here it is it requires the 2 coins to make a 5. Here it is coins, 3 coins is there, here 3 coins is there, here it is 4 coins, here it is 5 coins. So the minimum number of coins is 2 3. So minimum number of coins 2 3. Now we can explain what is the coin change problem by using dynamic programming approach. Here find out the total number of ways you can make the change of a given amount W equal to 15 and coins 2 5 3 10. These are the coins. So this is the example code here. Now so this is a tabulation method. So what this problem is big problem, that is W equal to 15. Then the problem is divided into number of sub problems. Then here 0 2 can write the 15 here. These are the column 0 1 2 3 and so on 15. So the W is divided into number of sub problems. You can write down here. Then the coins 2 5 3 10. So the coins are taking in ascending order, that is first 2. So you can consider that is 3 value, that is 5 rupee coin and 10 rupee coin, for example. Here it is, what is the meaning of dynamic programming approach is, here it is coins, I is a coins, here it is J, column value J, that is W, here it is W. So what is the tabulation method, what is dynamic programming approach? So what are the problems, sub problem solution is there, that sub problem solution will be stored in table. Whenever you can require that sub problem solution, you can take that sub problem solution directly from that table without calculating the sub problems, same sub problems again and again. So if you can solve the same sub problem again and again, so it is a time waste process. That's why what are the sub problem result is there, that sub problem solution will be stored in table. Whenever you can require that sub problem solution, you can take that value from the table. Now you can discuss here. Here it is a W is 0, here it is 2 3, here the I is 0 and 1 and 2 and 3 here. So you can see how many ways to form 0 by using these two. I value is I is 0, that is the coins of I is 2. Then how many ways to make this 0? So one way. That means you cannot include this 2 rupee coin, it is a 0. So that's why here also you cannot include 2 and 3, it is one way. Here you cannot include 2 3 5, it is one way to make 0. Here also you cannot include all these coins. Okay, so this is a one way to make 0. So here it is excluding the coin and including the coin, and add excluding plus including. In simple way you can solve this problem. Here you can see, here it is a 2 rupee coin is there. You can give the 1 rupee. How many ways to make 1 rupee? So it is not possible, it is 0. Here how many ways to make 2 rupee by using 2 rupee coin? Here it is one way. Here it is, here odd numbers are, you cannot make by using this 2 rupee coin. That's why it is 0. Here it is 0. You cannot make, for example you can take 2 plus 2, but it cannot make a 5. So that is 0. Here it is one way. That means you can take two rupee coins. It is make one way, and also here it is one way. Here it is 0. Like that you can, it is 0, it is 1, it is 0, it is 1, it is 0, it is 1, it is 0. That means, for example, you can take the 14. How many ways to make this 14? So by using these two, so we can take the 7 coins, 7 2 rupee coins. So 7 into 2, that is 14. So one way to make this 14, the amount 14, but 15 it cannot make. For example, you can take 7 into 2 14, but here it can require the 15, so not possible. So that's why it is 0. So this is the first row value here. Now we can see at the simple, here it is the coin, next coin is 3. So you can see coins of I greater than j. Coins of I means coins of I, that is coins of 1. The coins of 1 is 3. So 3 greater than j. Greater than j means here whenever this condition is true, what are the values is there in previous row, that value will be copied here. Okay, same value you can copy it. Whenever here you can see it is j value is 1, so 3 minus 1, so the condition is true. So what are the value is there, that previous value you can take that value. So what is the meaning of that? So in that second row here, so you can include 2 rupee coins. So how many ways to make 1? It is 0, so that is 0. Plus here by using 3 you can make the 1 rupee coin. It is not possible, that is 0. So that's why the previous value is 0. Now here it is, you can make the 2 rupee coin, you can include the 2 rupee coin. So in previous value you can take that without solving that problem again and again. So you can take how many ways? You can not including this 3, you can include only 2 rupee coin. Here it is one way. Plus if you can include 3, that is 2 and 3, so you can include that. So it cannot make the 2 rupee by using 3 rupee coin, so that value is 1. So like that here, if the coins of I value greater than j, then what are the values is there? So above row you can copy the same here, so up to this one. Now we can see here it is 3, here it is 3. So 3 greater than 3. So that is condition is fail. So what is, how can solve that this problem here? Now here it is 3. So to make the 3, so if you cannot include this, so how many ways to make 3? So that is the previous value is 0, 0 plus if you can include that 3, okay, that is 3 minus 3, that is 0. So you can see that what is the, here the 0 column in the same row, that value is 1. So you can note down here. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay, here also you can see the previous, we cannot include this 3 rupee coin. So how many ways to make this 4? So only 1. So you can take that 1. This is one way. Plus here you can include that 3 rupee coin. So 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3, that is 4 minus 3, that is 1. Here you can see in the 1 column the value is 0. So you can note down here. It is also the value is 1. Now you can see the value is 5. So if you can include 3, if you cannot include 3 first, you can take how many ways to make this 5? That is by using 2 rupee coin, that is 0. Here you can use these 3. How many ways to make this 5 rupee coin? So here it is 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3, that is 2, into here it is in second column it is 1, so it is 1. You can say how many ways to make these 5 rupee coins, that is equal to only one way. So how? 2 plus 3, that is 5, so one way. So here 6 also, if we cannot include this one, this 3, then how many ways to make this 6 by using 2 rupee coin? It is 1. So note down here, plus if we can include this 3, so 6 minus 3, that is 6 minus 3, that is 3. So you can see here in third column, what is the value here? Already you can calculate it, value is 1. So that is 1. So how many ways to make that is 6, that value is 2. So you can see simply in common sense also you can solve this problem. Here it is 6 is there. So you can take 3 2s, that is 6, that is one way. Here it 6 is there, you can take 3 2 rupee 2 coins, 3 2 rupee 3 2 coins is there, you can take the 2 coins of 3 rupee coins, then it is a one way. So that's why it is two way to make this 6. So here also you can see, here it is previous value cannot include this 3, that is 0 ways by using 2, and if you can include this, that means 7 minus 3, 7 minus 3, that is 4. You can see the fourth column in the same row, you can see the fourth column, the value is 1. So you can take 1, here it is 1. And also you can see one more thing, if you can use this 2 also, 3 plus 2, that is 5, but it is not possible, so you can require the 7. So that is only one way. The one way is you can take 2 rupee coins, 1 3 rupee coin, that is 4 plus 3, that is 7, only one way. Now you can see here it is 8. So you cannot include 3, you can only can see the first only 2 rupee coin. How many ways to make 8? So only one way, plus here 3 minus 8 minus 3, that is 5. You can see the fifth column, the fifth column value is, now it is 1. So here you can take 1. So 1 plus 1, that is two way. Okay, for example you can see 2 plus 3, that is 5, 5 plus 3 8. And also you can take another way is you can use only 2 rupee coin, that is 4 2 rupee coins you can take, that is the one way, that is two way. Okay, now you can see here it is the previous value, you cannot include 3, it is 0, 0 can take, plus here 9 minus 3, that is 6. You can see the sixth column, it is two ways. Okay, you can note down here 0 plus 2, that is two ways to make 9 rupee coin, 9 rupees. So here it is 10, here it is without including 3 rupee coin. So how many ways to make 10? That is only one way. Then if you can include this 3, so include this 3, that is 10 minus 3, that is 7. You can see the seventh column, the value is 1. So you can take 1, here it is 2. So you can see excluding that coin, that means you can exclude this coin. So only include this coin, that what is the value you can take, exclude the coin, you can take that value also. You can add that excluding and including. So you can add here 1 plus 1, like here it is 2. Now we can see it is excluding that coin, excluding coin 3, that is how many ways to make 11, that is 0. You can take the previous value 0. So for example including this coin, so 11 minus 3, 11 minus 3, that is 5, 11 minus, so here it is 11 minus 3, that is 8. So in this column you can see here it is 2, so you can take that 2. Okay, then it is 2 ways. Here also you can see it is one way, plus without including third coin. If you can include 3 rupee coin here, include. So how many ways? 12 minus 3, that is 9. 12 minus 3, that is 9. You can see the ninth column. So already you can calculate it, that value is 2. So note down here. So to make 3 ways to make 12 rupee coin, here it is. So you can see, so how you can get the 3 here? You can see in 12 rupees by using coin 2 and 3. Okay, how to get these 3 here? You can see, for example I am consider 6 2 rupee coins, that is 2 2 2 and 2 and 2. Here it is 6 2s 12, and also I am consider 3 rupee coin, 4 coins, 4 3s are 12. So here it is 12. So I am consider 3 comma 2, 3 comma 2, it is 5 5 10, and 2 rupee coin. Here it is these 3 ways. That's why here it is 3 ways. Okay, now we can see in 13, here the previous value is not including 3, it is 0, plus 13 minus 3, that is 10. In the 10th column, here you can see what is the value here, it is 2. So it is 2. So 2 ways to make 13. Here it is the previous value is 1, here 1 plus, if you can include 3 also, you can include 3 also, that means 14 minus 3. Okay, 14 minus 3, that is 11. In the 11th column, you can see here it is 2. So 1 plus 2, that is 3 ways. Here 15, that value is 0. You can 15 minus 3. 15 minus 3, that value is 12. In 12th column, you can see what is the value here, it is 3. So you can take that 3 here. Here 3 ways to make 15 by using 2 3 coin 2 and coin 3. Now we can increment I value is 1, then this row. So if you cannot include this 5, so you can see here the 5 is equal to 5 here. Up to this point, what are the values is there, previous value. You can see, you can store here also, you can take the same values. That is 0, here it is 1, here it is 1, here it is 1. Already we have discussed coins I greater than j. So if the condition is true, what are the values is there in the previous row, that values will be take here directly. So in this case 5 less than 5, the condition is fail. Now without including this 5 rupee coin, how many ways? It is a one way. So I am considered 1 plus, if you can include this 5 rupee coin, 5 minus 5, 0. So in 0 column you can see what is the value here, it is 1. So 1, it is 2 ways. So out of 2 ways here, either you can take 2 plus 3, that is one way, it is make a 5, and you can take the 5 directly, it is one way. So that's why it is 2 way. 2 ways to make 5 and 6. So without including 5, so what are the value, you know already 2 3 combinations, what are the value is there here, you can take that direct value 2 plus, if you can include that value 5, that means 6 minus 5, 1. In one column, children, you can see that in one column you can see what is the value here, it is 0. So that's why the value is 2 here. Now we can see what is the value is there, here it is 1 in previous row, and 7 minus 5, that is 2. Here you can see the second column is the value is 1. So that is 2 ways. Here also 2 ways means 5 plus 2, that is 7, and 2 plus 3, 5 plus 2, that is 7 in 2 ways. So in 8 also you can take the previous value without including that 5. So without including this 5 rupee coin. So how many ways? Okay, 2 ways. You can include 2 and 3. Okay, these combinations 2 ways. Then 8 minus 5, that is 3. In third column the value is 1. Here it is 1. 2 plus 1, that is 3 here. So you can see here it is 9. The previous value is 2 plus 9 minus 5, that is 4. In fourth column the value is 1. Here you can see 2 plus 1, that is 3. Here also previous value is 2 plus 10 minus 5, that is 5. So you can see that fifth column here it is 2. So the value is 4 now. Now we can see here the previous value is 2 plus 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5, that value is 6. In sixth column here you can see 2, the value is 2. So you can take that 2. Here it is 4 ways to make 11 by using 2 3 5 rupee coins. Then here it is 12. What is the value here? It is a 3. So you can take the previous value plus, if you can include 5. So here it is 12 minus 5, that is 7. In the seventh column you can see what is the value here, it is 2. You get 2 ways. The total ways is 5 ways to make 12 rupee coin in 5 ways by using 2, 3, 5 rupee coins. Now we can see here it is. Here it is 13. You can take the previous value is 2 without including the 5. If you can include that 5, you can see 13 minus 5, that is 8. In 8th column, you can see how many ways to make 8. Here it is 3. So here it is, you can take 3. 2 plus 3, that is 5 here also. Now we can see the previous value is 3 without including 5 rupee coin. Then if we can include that 5 rupee coin, so 14 minus 5, that is 9. In the 9th column you can see 3, the value is 3, so you can take 3. So how many ways to make 14? Here it is 6 ways. Like that here also 3 plus how many ways to include that 5 rupee coin also, 15 minus 5, that is 10. You can see the 10th column, okay, the value is 4. Okay, without solving that problem again, that what are the values there, sub problem solution, that sub problem solution you can take directly here, that is 3 plus 4, that is 7 ways to make 15 by using these coins 2, 3, 5. Now we can see here it is 10. So up to this one, already you can check this condition. Up to this one, it is coins of 5 greater than j. So the j value is 0 to 9. Up to what are the values is there in previous row, that value you can take directly here. That means without including this 10, because here it is a coin, you can require 1 rupee. So here the 10 rupee, it is not possible to take 1 rupee. That's why up to 10, what are the values is there, the previous value, you can without including this 10, you can take directly here. That's why here it is 1 and 0, 1 and 1, 1, 2, 2. Here 2 value, here value is 3, now here value is 3. Now we can see if the condition is fail here. So that's why if you can, how many ways to make 10, okay, without including 10, that means it is 4 ways plus, if you can include that, so 10 minus 10, that is 0. So you can see the 0th column here, it is value is 1 way to. So the total ways is 5 ways to make 10. 5 ways to make 10. So like that here 11 is there. Without including 10 rupee coin, 4 ways plus. If you can include 10, so 11 minus 10, that is 1. So in first column you can see here what is the value, 0. You can take. So to make 11, 4 ways to make 11. 4 ways to make 11. So that's why here it is 5 without including 10, 5 ways, that is the previous value. Now we can see if you can include the 10, 12 minus 10, that is 2. Here you can see 1 way, so that is 1. So here it is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. Now we can see here it is 13, the previous value without including 10 rupee coin, the previous is 5 with combination of all these 3, that is 5. And if you can include the 10, 13 minus 10, that is 3, here it is 1. So you can see 5 plus 1, that is also 6. Now we can see here it is previous value without including 10 rupee, that is 6 plus, here it is 14 minus 10, that is 4. Here the 4th column, how many ways to make 4, here it is 1. So that is 6 plus 1, that is 7 here. So here it is previous value without taking the 10 rupee coin, how many ways, 7 ways plus, if you can include the 10, so 15 minus 10, 15 minus 10, so 5. In 5th column you can see the value is 2, so 7 plus 2, 9 here. So how many ways to make 15 by using these 4 coins, 2, 5, 3, 10 rupee coins. So total ways is, you can take, this is the resultant value here, 9 ways to make 15, 9 ways to make 15. Like for example here in the 15 you can take, here it is 2, 5. For example I am taking 10 or 1 10 rupee coin, 1 3 rupee coin, 13 plus 2 rupee coin, that is 15. And also I can take, here it is 1 10 rupee coin, 1 5 rupee coin, that is 15. Like that you can take 1 2 rupee coin, 1 3 rupee coin, 1 10 rupee coin, that is to make 15. Like that here the 9 ways to make 15 by using these coins. Thank you for watching this video. Next video you can discuss next problem. Thank you for watching.